Very good morning, class. We'll be today doing questions on polynomials, 1 mark type. Is it clear? So question is like this. Question number 1, find the zeros find the zeros of the polynomial of 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Now how do we solve this? For finding zeros, first of all we write let px equal to how much? 2x square minus 8x plus 6. So this is your px. So how we write px equal to 0, which implies 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. Now what we see, 6 2 are 12, 6 2 are 12. So you see the rough work, 12, then 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Now two numbers we have to select such that we should get 8. Now we can do like this, 2 2 are 4 and then 3. No, this is not going. We can do like this, 2 3 are 6 and then 2. Yes, this pair can be selected. So what we can do is 2x square minus 6 plus 2x plus 6 equal 0. Again we'll just remove the bracket, minus 6x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0, which implies from here we'll take common and then from here also we'll take common. 2x is common, x minus 3 minus of 2x is common, sorry, from here only 2 is common, then 2x minus plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So what we are seeing, that we are getting common what? X minus 3. So what we can write, x minus 3, and then from here we are getting 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. Is it clear? Equal to 0. So what, how can we write? Either x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 2 equal to 0, which imply x equal to 3, which imply 2x equal to 2, which imply x equal to 2 by 2 cancel 1. Therefore what we can say, x equal to 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. So what are the two zeros? Which implies 1 comma 3, hence two zeros are 1 comma 3. If you remember, this equation is quadratic and it is of second degree. Alright, so it will have two values of x, that means two zeros. So two zeros are 1 comma 3. Is it clear to you? Next we have question number 2. Alright, so we'll do again another question number 2. Find the zeros of 49x square minus 64. Now we'll do like this solution. Now we'll have let px equal to 49x square minus 64. So how we solve it? Px equal to 0 imply 49x square minus 64 equal to 0, which imply 49x square equal to 64, which imply x square equal to 64 by 49. So what can I write? X equal to plus minus root over 64 by 49, which implies x equal to plus minus 8 by 7, 8 by 7. So we are getting two zeros, therefore x equal to 1 is 8 by 7 and another one we are getting minus 8 by 7. So what we can write, hence two zeros are, hence TWO2 zeros are, what are the two zeros? 8 by 7 and minus 8 by 7. Alright. Similarly, you can do question number 3. Question number 3. Find the zeros of 3x square minus 4 minus 4x. Okay. 3x square minus 4 minus 4x. You can do this on your own. Okay. Try. Although I have already given this in the notes. One step I am just writing 3x square. You rearrange it, put it in the second position, minus 4x minus 4. Now you can solve it on your own. So you have to find value of x. Okay. Two values of x. Is it clear? Next we have question number 4. Find all the zeros of, question number 4. Find all the zeros of x square minus 2x. Alright. Now I am solving it in short. Px equal to what? X square minus 2x. So Px equal to 0, no? Therefore, which implies x square minus of 2x equal to 0. Is it clear? Now after this, we can take x as common. So x into x square minus 2 into x equal to 0. Is it clear? So what we can say, either x equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So you can say x equal to 0 and here we can say x equal to 2. Therefore, two zeros are 0, 2. Is it clear? Now we have some try questions for you. You can do question number 1, part number 1, then 4, then you have question number 2, part 1, part 3, sorry, part 2, alright, part 2, part 3, alright. These questions are from exercise 2A, alright, of your textbook. Next, question number 12. This is from your assessment, ASS, assessment questions, Is it clear? Now we have next question, question number 5. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 5, minus 7. Minus 5, minus 7. Is it clear? Now solution. Now if you remember, we have done fitting of polynomial, yes or no? Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 5 and minus 7, yes or no? So we have done fitting of polynomial. What was that? K open bracket x square minus sum of the 0 into x plus product of the 0. S means sum and p means product. Now this is family of the polynomials, alright, where k equal to 1, 2, like this. Is it clear? K is constant. We can say k is what? Constant. You can take any values, alright. Now you see how we do sum of the zeros, comma s. So what we can write? Minus 5 plus minus 7. Is it clear? So what we have? Minus 5 minus 7, how much? Minus 12. Is it clear? Next we have product of the zeros. Product of zeros. So what is product of 0? P equal to minus 5 into minus 7. How much? 35. Is it clear? Now we have calculated the value of s also and for the value of p also. Now we'll do required polynomial. Therefore, required polynomial equal to x square minus sum is what? This one, plus product is what? 35. X square minus sum of the 0 is how much? Minus 12. Product of the 0 is how much? 35. So how we can write? X square plus 12x plus 35. Nothing is there in the front. So what we can say? We can say that k equal to 1 here. K equal to 1 here. Is it clear? So this is the required polynomial. Is it clear? That was your question number 5. Now question number 6. Next we have question number 6. What is a polynomial? What is a polynomial? What is a polynomial of degree 4? Of degree 4. Alright. Now what is the answer? Polynomial of degree 4 is what? Biquadratic polynomial. Yes or no? So what we can say? Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Is it clear? Next we have question number 7. Question number 7. Find the polynomial. Find the polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros, whose sum and product of the zeros are minus half and half, respectively. All right, minus half and half. So how we do it? Now in this case, what is happening? Already the sum is given to you. Find the polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are minus half and half. Is it clear? Alright, so what we see here, find the polynomial whose sum and product of the zeros are minus half and half. So sum is already given here. So we can write sum of zeros comma s, that is equal to minus half, and product of zeros that is p, which is equal to half. So what we can say? Therefore required polynomial equal to x square minus, what is the sum? Sum is minus of half. X square minus sum of the 0 into x plus product of the 0. Remember, it's like this: x square minus sx plus p, and here is k. No? So what we can do, we will take x square plus half x plus half. Now you see, if we multiply throughout by 2, that means if we take constant 2 and if we multiply throughout, then what will happen? This will become 2, it's like this, 2 like this. If we multiply throughout by 2, then it will become what? 2x square plus 2 will get cancelled, plus 1. Now here what will happen? K equal to 2. This k equal to 2, no? When we are multiplying, then we are getting like this. So 2x square plus x plus 1. Alright. So that means when we have to write only one polynomial, that this was family of polynomial. When we have to write only one polynomial, then we take the LCM of these 2 and 2, and then whatever we are getting, we are getting like this: LCM of these 2, and here is 1. Na? Then this 2 is coming from that. Is it clear? So we are multiplying by 2, that means k equal to 2. K is the constant. Next question, question number 8. What is the degree of quadratic polynomial? Question: what is the degree of quadratic polynomial? Degree of quadratic polynomial. Now tell me, what is the degree of quadratic polynomial? Degree of quadratic polynomial is 2. Yes or no? So degree is 2 because it is second degree equation. Okay, sorry, polynomial. Now there is one more question, one last question. That one we'll be doing that. Question number 9. It says if 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial, 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial, now what is the quadratic polynomial? X square minus 5x minus 6 is 6 comma, find the other 0, find the other 0. Is it clear? Now question is what? If 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x minus 6 is 6, that means 1 0 is already given, 6, find the other 0. Is it clear? This quadratic polynomial, so we will have 2 zeros out here. Alright, so how we do? We start like this, 2 zeros, that means we can say let alpha and beta be the 2 0. No, so let alpha and 6 be the 2 0. In place of beta we can take 6 because 1 0 is already given to you. So we'll write like this, let alpha and 6 be the 2 zeros, be the 2 zeros of what? Px, which is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. Px means what? Polynomial in x. Is it clear? Therefore sum of the zeros we will find. Therefore sum of the zeros comma s equal to. Now here what we can say, we can write here in short, here a equal to what? 1, b equal to what? Minus 5, c equal to what? Minus 6. Is it clear? So sum of the 0 was how much? Minus b by a. This was the formula, no? So minus b by a is how much? Minus of minus 5 by 1. So how much? Minus minus plus 5 by 1 is 5. So sum of the zeros we have got. Yes or no? Now implies left hand side is what? Sum of the 0 means alpha plus 6. Left hand side is alpha plus 6 and right hand side is 5. Right hand side is 5. Now after this what we can do, we can transfer this 6 to the right hand side. So we'll have alpha equal to 5 minus 6, that means alpha equal to minus 1, So we have got the value of alpha, that means other 0 is how much? Minus 1. Therefore other 0 is minus 1. Is it clear to you? Now there are some of the try questions you have to do. Question number 7, try question number 7, part 1, 2, 3, part 1, 2, 3. Then we have question number 8, part 1, part 3. Why I am not doing all? Because some questions I have already selected out here, I have already solved it. Alright, now this one, it is from your exercise 2a. So that's it, student, for today. We have completed 1 marks questions of this chapter. So if you if you understood the lecture nicely and if you find it interesting, please forward it to the other students also, so that they can be benefited. Alright, do like, share and subscribe, students. See you in the next video. Alright, thank you.